Good morning, everybody. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and let's paint something. So yesterday, when I painted the roses on the umbrella, I knew y'all couldn't see exactly what I was doing. I had to set that camera up and I worked on that and worked on that. And I took 2 tables and piled them on top of each other, put my tripod on top of that. And I had a heck of a time getting that set up. And I knew you couldn't see it. But the main idea was to show you that you can paint using my recipe on outdoor furniture, umbrellas, wood, whatever you want to paint on out there. So I had a request yesterday to show you exactly how I paint the very, very easy one-stroke roses. So today I'm going to attempt to do that. And I'm going to do it step by step, and we're going to practice together. So what I have right here, it's just a piece of foam board. It's builder's foam board. It's like a 1/4 inch thick. And this is what I happen to have here to paint on. You can practice on anything you want. Cardboard, a piece of cardboard box would work great. So what we're going to do, and let me see if I can kind of get, yeah, I think so. I think that's going to work fine. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, these are just regular paints. You can buy them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart has them. The brand called Apple Barrel is about 50 cents. So you can't get much more inexpensive than that. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour our dark paint in here. And our light paint right here. That just kind of blops in there, doesn't it? It's okay, it'll work. Alright, here we go. Now, I painted this green, and yesterday I was working on turquoise, so it doesn't matter. Whatever color you want your project to be, your roses will turn out, or your flowers will turn out great. Now the brush I have, and I showed you yesterday, is an angle brush. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it good against that. Okay, so we have a pointed tip here, and then this lower end here. The lower end is going to have the dark paint on it. The pointed end is going to have the light colored paint on it. So here's what we do. We're going to dip the dark end in the paint. See how I've done that? The light color in this part of the paint. Alright, we're going to take your container and brush this way. And brush back that way, brush this way, brush back that way. See how it blends? You still got light up here and dark down here, but it's blended in the middle. And that's what we're doing. That's the idea of the whole thing, is to blend it together. I'm hoping y'all are seeing this. That's how to do that. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a petal. So we're going to come right down here. We're going to lay this brush down like this. Lay it down so both the dark and the light is on the project. We're going to come up, make a little curve. Do it again. You've painted a petal. Let's do another. Dark, light. Now, yours are not going to look, you're not going to use this dark a paint on your project, but that light of paint. I did it so that you could see the contrast. Brush it back. It's blended, okay? We're going to make another petal. We're going to go right in here. Again. There's another petal. See that? Okay, we're going to do it again. Now what the idea, you keep doing this and you keep joining these petals together. Okay, we're going to come right over here. This time we're going to turn our light this way. We're going to come right in here. See how that light paint did that? See the petals? Let's do another one. There we go. We'll do another. Making petals. That's what we're doing. All we're doing right now is just practicing the petals. And you're getting all these petals. We'll come right up here and we'll do another one. So you can see what I'm doing. The light on top, the dark at the bottom. And get some more paint. And you just kind of wiggle your brush. That's all it really is. It's just a matter of wiggling your brush because that's the way roses are. We'll do another one right here. Touch down, wiggle. See how you have a petal? That gives you a petal. Now all you do to continue on making the rose is just keep joining more and more petals. Just keep making more petals. See that? That's all it is. Now you remember on our rose, what we did is we had a big circle. Remember that? Okay, so we're going to take this paint. Not picking up enough light color here. I'm getting it. Just keep going on around. See how we're doing? Just making petals all over this. Just keep going round. See there? It's beginning to form. Beginning to form your flower. Okay, when you get to the center, here's what you're going to do. Let me show you this one. This also paints buds, little bitty rose buds. Okay, let me show you this one. Let's see. Here we go, right here. All right, watch. We're going to go up, make a U. Did you see that? Up and make a U. And then we're going to touch right here. That made a bud. See that bud? That's what we're going to do in the center over here on this rose that we just painted. Okay, watch. Made a bud. Touch here. You made a rose. All you have to do is go up and down like a U. Come back over here. And there's your bud. See the buds? Little buds. That's all there is to it. I hope you find something you want to do. Practice making your buds. Practice making your petals. And then simply join them all together. That's all there is to it. Hope y'all have a great day. Hope God is good to you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, Miss Key in the background. She came to say hi. Bye-bye, y'all.